Where's your belly? There it is. Where's your feet? There they are. Where are your hands? There's your hands. Where's your nose? Show mommy. There's your nose. There it is. No, I want to show people how you know everything. Can you show show mommy where your eyes are? Show mommy where your eyes are. You want to sit on my lap? Okay. You can sit on my lap. Okay. Where are your eyes? Where are your eyes? Where are they? Show me. Yeah, you see the camera? Show mommy where your eyes are. Yeah, you see them on the camera. Where are they on you? Eyes. Eyes. Where's your hair? Where's your hair? Where is it? Where's your hair? That's Mama's camera. Haley, that's Mama's camera. Can you bring it to Mommy? Can you bring it to me, please? Yeah, bring it to me. Bring me the camera. Thank you. Very good.